goodness.
Right.
The Lazy Susan, I think, really ties in, Tara, what you and your mom talked about doing so many years ago, and what you've done now for 20 plus years is bring us back around the table. And I literally think my eye level was at the table. Do you know what I mean? I was that small because I'm the youngest of 5, and my mom was a nutritionist, and she worked, so she would be in the hospital. She worked at a major hospital in Philly, and my dad would make lunch, and like I can just remember like eyes at the table and the Lazy Susan, otherwise known as Rudy next door. This is our pick of the show. How many, Brian? 1,500 ordered, and you might think Tara showed that earlier. No, Tara is showing this for the first time right now. The price and the easy pay is gone at the end of the day. And guys, we got to talk fast because you've got 7 minutes to buy this at this price.
And I have to tell you, everything about it is perfection. From the size of a 12-inch, the fact that it's stoneware, the fact that you have that beautiful stoneware mechanism underneath, which makes it super smooth. Do you see? It's perfectly balanced. Notice that nothing's wobbling. So what I love about it is I give you that rim so nothing's going to fall off. And we have our woodland. We have all 4 colors in our woodland.
Right.
We have all 4 colors in our old world.
All going back to the value of the day if you were lucky to get that 24 hours ago.
If you picked up our pictures earlier, how fun to layer our pictures on in here. Then of course we have your floral lace colors, your blue, your red, your cranberry, and your black. And then look at how fun, Pawfetti. First time we've ever done a Lazy Susan in Pawfetti. Doodle Doo in the black, Doodle Doo in the red. Again, there's certain pieces, right, that just ask for a rooster on it. And then can we just take a moment to talk about Believe. Honeycomb detail all the way around. And then of course you're gonna have that, thank you, those gorgeous bees following each other all the way around the rim of our Lazy Susan. It's one of the only stoneware Lazy Susans that we have in our entire collection.
I've
There's
never
your
seen one
buttercream.
before.
Aren't they great?
I've never seen one before.
Fabulous.
By the way, white Believe, almost gone. Last call. Sale price leaving us at the end of this show, which is now 7 minutes away.
Well, I can't believe how quickly 2 hours went.
I know.
I know, we better get over here.
Okay, let's go over here.
Okay,
Okay, because this just made me want to cry. I'm so happy.
Isn't
right
this
here.
so fun?
I'm so
here
happy.
we took our gray, that's actually our slate blue. We took our slate blue and we layered in 3 of the 6 dishes and put a fun charcuterie together.
So awesome.
I love layering in our pieces. Maybe you want to ice a cake. Maybe you want to serve a cake. And then again, there's a lot of reasons to have a Lazy Susan. One of them makes icing a cake super easy. It also makes it easy to pass.
I'm just thinking of cookie decorating season, so put all 6 of these in there with the sprinkles and the jimmies and the sugars and all of that.
Perfect.
And then you're not reaching over.
Right.
Yeah. So fun.
Again, all of your baked goods, everything that you want to have and leave out. You could have beautiful fresh fruit in here if you wanted to and leave it on your counter. You could put a candle garden in here and use it as a centerpiece. You could make an entire charcuterie board. It's stoneware. It's food safe. So everything can go directly on here. You can put the extra wide butter dish that we were just showing you, salt and pepper shakers on there, the spoon rest on there, and keep everything corralled and together.
I mean, here's the story. We just showed it to you for a second. 1,500 ordered, 1,000 people attempting to place an order. Again, for under $30, what a beautiful gift. And like even if you took like a bottle of wine and put it in the middle and then just wrapped it up with a cellophane and maybe even some cute Temp-tations, little mitts around the outside. Wow, present.
But I love what you just said. Maybe it's a bottle of wine, 2 wine glasses, and you're gonna have it, right? You have your charcuterie, maybe you're picking up more than one. You have that, give it a spin, Jane. You have that great smooth, notice how nothing's like wobbling, nothing's off balance. It's so beautifully made, 12 inches in total diameter.
Cue the sold out sign. So here we go. If you wanted the white Believe, it's gone. The white woodland is almost gone. We started with 1,500 there.
These are beautiful.
There's only 500 left.
Okay.
And here's how my mom used her Lazy Susan, and maybe it's as simple as this. It's the centerpiece in the middle of your kitchen table, and on it is salt and pepper, and maybe you have a little cute napkin thing here.
Of course,
right?
100%.
Right, and you have your little spices or whatever you need. You're having a party. I love to get cute, like, containers for my ketchup and my mustard.
Of course, yes.
Perfect way to do it.
It's great to carry. And by the way, way, you can put these pieces in your refrigerator too. Maybe you want to organize all your condiments. You should see all the condiments we have in our refrigerator. It's a problem. But you could have them organized right there, which is great also.
Taco night. Taco night.
Love, love, love.
Taco night.
Yeah, you can put it right there. Remember, they're all food safe. So again, a Lazy Susan is just one of those great pieces. I grew up with it. It sounds like you grew up with it. Right? It corrals everything. It keeps everything organized, and they're beautiful and stoneware, and they're food safe.
Yeah.
So you can put food directly on here.
Which is wild.
Wild.
It is literally wild that you could literally put your cookies or whatever right on here. Notice we're going to cookies after a long day. Okay, 2,000 ordered. Many of these are getting last call. And I love when we walked over here because the cake idea is so cool to be able to ice the cake and then leave the cake on that same tray.
Slice it, serve it. That's what we love about it. So again, it gives it a beautiful presentation. We eat with our eyes first. So the fact that you walk into a room and you see that, like that just, even if that was just store-bought, which this happens to be, it was so beautiful.
Right.
You put it right on there, you're ready to go.
And here is why we all need to buy this.
This is fabulous.
Go backwards and get the matching adorable set of 6. No, set of 4.
Set of 6.
Set of 6. Set of 6.
4-ounce skillet little minis.
Love them. I mean, that
so fun.
It would look great on its own. That just elevates it to a whole new level.
Right, exactly. So flameless candles on here. I love, again, the idea of making this a centerpiece. All of your baked goods, again, I love that. And then I absolutely love that you can chill this ahead of time. You can put it in your fridge and your freezer. So now you have that great charcuterie board where everything is a gorgeous, gorgeous presentation.
Okay, we have
fun.
about a minute left in the show. That means it is the moment to make all the decisions as you shop backwards, because pretty much every price is about to expire. All the easy pays are about to go away. And remember, this is the end of a big day. So like, I can hear all the shopping happening. We've had 4,000 ordered in the show.
Thank you, everybody.
That's half our quantity. And are we getting this back?
We are not. No, we are not.
No. We have 30,000 people shopping online and about 1,000 people waiting on the line to place their order. White Woodland just sold out. Of course it did.
We kind of knew that was going to happen.
Thank you.
Exactly.
We've all gotten our steps in, and also substantial. Like, it's hard to tell on TV the weightiness of something, but I know when you get this box, you're going to be like, wow.
Yes.
This is substantial.
You're right. It's thick. It has that beautiful rim here showing you, again, all of those great things that you will keep it from moving around. And then you have that super smooth, whisper quiet spin of that Lazy Susan. And these are all things that I painstakingly make sure are perfect, so that when you get it home, individually hand painted, you're happy, exceeds your expectations every single time.
Just like our founder, Joe Siegel, wanted us to do when we started almost 37 years ago. Brilliant founder.
Yes.
I'm also thinking of something as practical as the middle of your coffee table, you know, with your readers
remote.
and your remotes.
Love. Great idea.
At our little condo at the beach, we have like 4 remotes. I have a degree in television production. I still don't know how to turn on the television, but it's okay. I'll figure it out. Wow. Why don't we walk back to where we started our today's special value last night at midnight. We're in final quantities.
Yes.
We encourage you to shop backwards in the show, but Tara, what a day.
Can I just say thank you for the last 31 days. We've been celebrating Temp-tations days. Over 100